Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to this platform. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So guys, this is boom 1000. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it sold till it got to this support zone, and right from there it started an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. So it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to go further, so it's trying to pull back. However, if it's unable to break out below this support zone, then it will go back up and try out this resistance zone again to see if it will break out above it. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below that support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500. This had been on uptrend right from here, and it has been buying since then. Got to this region, had the pullback, and of course went back up again. So this is still buying at the moment. If it does not break out above the resistance zone, then definitely it will go back into a downtrend. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out. This is crash 1000, and of course it was on uptrend before, but got to this resistance, was unable to go above that, so it started selling right from there. So at the moment this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but we need it to break out below the support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500, and crash 500 was on downtrend for a very long time, even though it has got into this support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So it started an uptrend from there. So right now it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. Started an uptrend from here, got to this region, had a pullback, but went back up to break out from that resistance zone, and of course it has got into a new resistance zone. So this is still buying at the moment. If it does not break out, if it's finding it difficult to break out from the resistance zone, then it will go into a downtrend from there. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back into the platform and watch my training videos? Make sure you understand it very well before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.